The San Francisco Bay Area Rapid Transit District, better known as BART, is a heavy rail public transit system that connects the San Francisco Peninsula with many communities in the East and South Bay. In this video, we're going to explain the basics of how to ride BART. Step 1. Find your route. On the BART system map, find the BART line, or multiple lines, that will take you to your destination. Next, find the name of the last station on that line. For example, if you're traveling east from San Francisco to the Castro Valley station, the last station on that line is Dublin-Pleasanton. This means you'll need to board a Dublin-Pleasanton train. If at any point you have any questions, please ask a station agent for help. If you need to transfer trains, don't forget to check the electronic platform destination signs to be sure you're boarding the correct train. You can also listen for audio announcements. BART has designated several stations as transfer stations, which have time transfers. In the East Bay, MacArthur is designated as the transfer station for southbound destinations, and the 19th Street Oakland station is the transfer station for northbound destinations. Step 2. Calculate your fare. Now that you know where you're going, you can calculate your fare and buy your ticket, which varies in price depending on how far you travel. Fare charts are posted on each BART ticket vending machine, and the destinations are listed alphabetically with the one-way and round-trip fares. Seniors and people with disabilities qualify for a 50% discount off the adult fare. Step 3. Buy a Clipper card. Children 4 and under ride free, but everyone else must have a valid Clipper card, which is an all-in-one transit card accepted on most major Bay Area transit systems. To add money to a Clipper card, tap your card on the disc on the ticket machine. You can pay using cash or card. Select the amount you would like to add and click Accept. Step 4. Enter the fare gate. Once you have your Clipper card, you'll pass through a fare gate. If you use a wheelchair, have a guide dog or stroller, or are carrying luggage, you can use the extra wide gate closest to the station agent booth to get through easily. Simply tap the Clipper card on the icon on the fare gate and pass through. Step 5. Find the train platform. The train platforms may be one level above, below, or on the same level as the BART entrance and the ticket machines. Follow the signs indicating your destination. You will most likely have to take either stairs, an escalator, or an elevator to reach the platform. Once you find your platform, wait safely behind the yellow strip of textured tiles for your train to arrive. The electronic overhead signs and station announcements on the train platforms provide helpful information, train arrival information, and time of day. Electronic signs on the platform also flash the destinations of incoming trains. Step 6. Board the correct train. When the train arrives, allow disembarking passengers to get off the train before you board. Mind the gap between the platform edge and the train when boarding and disembarking. BART train doors close automatically and do not stay open for obstructions, so make sure to keep yourself and your possessions clear of the doors. Step 7. Exit at your station. To exit at your destination station, locate the exit fare gates. Tap your Clipper card to the icon to open the barriers and exit. Once you're through the fare gate, refer to the exit signs and station maps to see which exit is closest to where you want to go. For more information or assistance, please contact the CIL's Community Connections program.